my maternal grandfather told a story that on Shlichus, and I can't even tell you what Shlichus is, but it's one of the minor Jewish holidays that is a midnight service, and the shamus, the beadle, of the synagogue or the town or the shtetl, would walk through the town on Shlichus, banging with his staff on the walls of the little houses to wake people up for the service. And he'd yell, "Shlichus, Shlichus." And my grandfather, the children's bed was by the wall. And when the shamus slammed on the wall, all the bed bugs and lice would get knocked out of the wall onto them in the bed.